Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable accessibility shortcut on TCL A300W. Accessibility shortcut allows you to quickly access accessibility feature by pressing and holding on the mute button on your remote. To enable it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to accessibility and now go to accessibility shortcut. Then click on it and now you can enable it. You can also change the shortcut service to TalkBack or switch access. And now, whenever you press and hold on the mute button on your remote for 3 seconds, it will enable the accessibility feature. You can see that I can now turn it on and TalkBack is enabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.